Right folks, out again tonight for another kayak camp. We're down at the Galloway Forest Park again. It's a dark sky at night park. Miles and miles of Scottish wilderness. Can't beat it. Meeting the Scottish Wanderer tonight. So he's got a kayak as well. So the two of us are going out. Should be a good night. Right, already set for another adventure. Here with the Scottish Wanderer tonight. So, Stuart's got the Intex Explorer, and I've got the Sevelar Riviera. So, we're going to head out. Lovely calm night. As you can see, water's like a mirror. Heading over to the secret shelter, or cabin, whatever you want to call it. So, next time you see us, we'll be in the water. Right, Stuart's in. He's going to push himself off of the bank.
You come up and see if you can find my camera.
Good. So, here's Stuart coming now. We're off on an adventure. Cracking big Loch.
I'm calling like a villain. I'm calling like a villain.
Woohoo!
Piggy
So you can imagine this is going to be a good laugh. So looking pretty good. Here's Stuart coming in there. We've got a good wee paddle over to where we're heading, over the secret shelter. Both the kayaks are looking good, both pretty sturdy, both pretty stable. So we're going to go a good paddle in the Loch. So,
do you reckon Mark will come, Colin?
I don't think Mark will come.
It's been raining,
so I don't
you're
think
missing
Mark's
out,
coming.
Mark.
Yep, Mark, you're missing out. Right, that's us. Right out in the middle. So, crack spot. There's Stuart chilling like a villain. You can't beat this. What a great buy these kayaks are. Many adventures these. So, we're going to keep paddling. We're going to paddle over to the shelter.
This secret shelter. So if anybody knows about this shelter, please don't comment, because we don't want
Top secret.
and to come and ruin it for everybody. So if you know where it is, please.
If you're lucky. So we're nearly there. There's the wee jetty. There's the shelter.
The mountain. We've got a cabin. Can't beat it. Oh, I'm going to hit that rock. Get moving.
Right, I was going to sleep in the shelter tonight, but now that we're here, we've got the hammock set up, so maybe sleep in that. I don't think I've set that up right at all, but hey, why worry, as long as it keeps me dry. It's a brand new tarp. So, it's a DD Camo extra large, but like I say, as long as it keeps me dry, that's all that matters. As you can see, the rain's kind of died off a wee bit. My kayak there, Stu's sitting there, wee jetty again, all my gear, shelter, but should start getting a wee bit of cooking done soon. Cracking wee spot.
doesn't know.
Right, folks.
Galloway Ninja Midges is the worst midges.
Fire's on.
Right.
Midges are out. Don't know if you can see them on my face.
The midges are out big game.
They're everywhere. But hey ho, it's only a few midges.
So,
Once the fire
get the
gets
fire
going.
down the coals, and then we'll bring you back. Right? We'll give you a pan
Probably
around.
calm night.
Pan around, here we are, and I'll bring you back. Look at that forest. That's not good look. How lucky are we, honestly?
Can he beat
I want to
this?
thank the person. What is the guy that owns that carbon club?
Looking good. Perfectly calm tonight. No fishing rod tonight. Right, perfect little spot. Look at that. The fire's on. Get a bit of cooking done. Right folks, it's dinner time. So what have we got tonight? We've got spaghetti, we've got cheese and garlic pizza bread, we've got a bolognes. What Stuart got? Stuart's got some egg fried rice, mushrooms, peppers, chicken. Stuart's copying me.
Got the same pan as well. I even got a canoe and I've copied.
Oh yes, pans, canoes. But hey ho, we're out in the great outdoors. So you know what time it is.
Cooking
What's
time.
cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight? Wee spam dance. You know it has to be done. Can he beat it?
Can't beat it, guys.
You can't beat a view like that, can you? I mean, you could be sitting in the house, or
Watching
you could,
Coronation Street.
yeah,
Or Crossroads.
Crossroads,
As
as
the
the handsome stranger says. Right, but this is where we're at tonight.
Oh, I'm out of breath now.
It was cooking tonight. So let's get the chicken, the mushrooms. Oh, still got the rice to go on.
Oh yeah, that's a lot.
Oh, plus the peppers there that I got. Oh, I'll get the bolognes, the spaghetti. I've even got a wee cheeky cheese and garlic naan bread. Oh, this is going to be a tasty snacker, isn't it?
I wish I'd done my kebabs and then had them later.
Oh, look at that, bubbling away.
Oh.
At a prime spot.
Is that Scottish Mountains up that mountain there?
Could be. Is that the Merrick, Stuart? Glenn,
Glenn, is that
Glenn, is that the Merrick?
Is it that one? Or that one? Or... For Darren
Was
Kim,
it that one?
watching, that's a hill. That's a hill. That's
Yeah.
a hill.
Loads of hills.
I don't remember. I did see you were cooking over there.
Yeah, cooked in the stove last week. Over the fire cooking tonight. Sizzling bolognese. A cheesy garlic naan bread.
Let's have a look at the Colin's cooking. That's the frying pan that you found under the shower.
No, that's my own frying
No,
pan.
I
I found the lid.
No,
Just
you
to
found it
just
under
to
the shower.
just to basically. Oh,
What's cooking?
Colin's kitchen tonight. Spaghetti bolognese.
Oh, get your boats in,
Get your boots in now. Now get a wee bit of pasta in here. Oh yeah, looking good.
Socks up here.
Yeah, big Stu will need to put his socks up.
Oh, wait till you see my breakfast in the morning, but...
Oh, yeah, there'll be big fry ups tomorrow. But right now, it's dinner time. I think the food's looking pretty good.
It's 10 o'clock at night.
10 o'clock at night, that's us just getting our dinner. But hey, it's not quite dark yet. Still got my sunglasses on, even though there's no sun. But hey, can you not just beat this? Eh? Look at that, what a fantastic view. Right, I think that's dinner ready. We've got spaghetti bolognese.
Oh, can I show it as well, Camo?
There you go. We've got
Get your boots in now.
cheesy garlic naan bread. Get your boots in now! Oh, aye.
Oh, can you shine some light
looking
on
good.
that food, Colin?
Right, and what Stuart got?
I've forgot my light.
Oh, Stuart's got a nice sweet. Oh, aye.
I've got the chicken.
Peppers, chickens, mushrooms.
I need
A
to add
fine
the
feed
chicken.
yet again.
What?
Oh, there's chicken still going. There we go.
Chicken's been in and cooked.
Plus the pepper.
Plus the pepper.
Looking good.
And I'm going to actually add some of this cheap rice that you buy from Home Bargains.
You know, Stuart copied me.
I did I've actually been eating this all week, to be honest. Right. Since I watched Colin cooking it, I've been on a binge of cooking chicken, peppers, and rice.
As you do.
Right. So I've been binge eating this all week.
Looking good. Right, fire's on. It's a wee bit darker now. Couple of bigger logs on the fire. Get a wee bit of heat off of that. It's about 11:30 now. There's a shelter in the distance. Probably can't see a thing out. Oh no, it's pure blackness. Oh, good wee trip. And you know there's going to be a big fry up in the morning. So, here's Stuart coming now. We're off on an adventure. Cracking big Loch.
I'm calling like a ballet. I'm calling like a ballet.
Woohoo!
Piggy
So you can imagine this is going to be a good laugh. Right, up in the morning. So that was my bed for the night. Had the hammock last night. Tested out the new tarp. Must admit, held up good. Just in the process of taking it down now, but I must admit, kept me dry all night. Midges are out again this morning. Hey ho. What a cracking view to wake up to. So now we're just going to get a bit of grub on. Yeah, Stuart's got the breakfast sizzling away already. I'm just going to get a brew on first. A nice cracking morning. Yeah. Luckily the kayaks haven't blown away. Right, you brew ready.
Brew with a view, guys.
Brew with a view. Cheers. As you can see, midges are rife again this morning. Hey ho.
They're eating me.
Only a few midges, or a few million midges. Cracking spot. Right folks, that's us getting our packed up. The kayak's packed up. We're gonna look at start to paddling back where the cars are. Fully load it. There's still plenty of room for me to get in. Probably go back a different way. Instead of coming round the way that we come in. Going to paddle back a different way, get a bit of different footage. As you can see, that's the kayak there. Fully laden as always, too much stuff with me. Tents, a lot. Then we put the tent up, just slept in the hammock last night. Like I say, tested out the new DD tarp. Ideal, get me dry all night. But just an absolute cracking spot. You just can't beat this. So, like I say, there's a shelter. Shelter's getting his canoe in the water as well. We'll soon be ready to go. Place is all nice and clean and tidy. Don't want to be a mess. Nothing worse than turning up. The place is like an absolute tip. But really, just a cracking spot, as you can see. You don't get views like that sitting in the house. Hopefully we'll get back over the water. And there's Stuart just falling. Stuart's falling in the water. I don't know whether you saw that on film. Stuart's away for a swim.
Like a ballad.
Right, that's us.
So don't forget to check Colin.
We're set up. All ready to go. Good wee night. So we're leaving the cabin now. There's Stu over there. Like I say, I don't know whether I caught it in video, but it did just fall in. But he's not drowned and he's still here. Oh aye. But I did honestly think, I thought Stuart was going swimming there, Ken. But I think I did.
See if he didn't, it doesn't count.
But I did hear the splash, and then I turned round and Stuart's kind of trying to get out of the water. But hey ho, luckily it's not deep at this bit. But that's us. What we're going to do now is we're going to kind of paddle back, go a wee kind of, maybe a kind of paddle around the edge of the loch. We're going to go back a different way. But like I say, these kayaks are just what a brilliant buy. Some of the places I think we'll get to in these, just well out of the way, it's just going to be ideal. So, like I say, this is us. We're going to start heading back through the wilderness and back to, basically eventually we'll get to our cars. But we're definitely going to go a wee paddle now. Like I said, back a different way. So, see you in a minute. Superb.
Got a picture of me and you there, Colin. Putting timer. Yeah, it must be an island. Yeah, sorry. It must be one. Video.
Right. Flotilla's out.
What are you going to name
So Eddie, I've not sunk the fish marks. And you're right, Stu's a German. Torpedoes away!
That's for Eddie.
We mentioned for Eddie. Right Eddie, hopefully you'll be getting your kayak and getting down here as well. Same with you Derek. And Glenn, I'm sure you'll get a Tuesday order in.
Eddie, give Colin a shout out on your videos.
Right. You need to get me by 1,000.
Colin needs to beat Mark. Mark doesn't go out.
No, doesn't it? So he's going to need to get out.
Property prepper, not Mark Silver Fox. Sorry. A Mark out in the wild.
You just can't beat this, can you?
Oh yeah!
Woo! Even at the echo you get up here is just amazing.
Sounds like a predator.
It's amazing how you meet out in the middle of nowhere, isn't it?
You hear banjo music.
Woo!
Squeal, piggy, squeal! That's a little shout out for Brian.
Yeah, we shout out for Brian, who's away in his halls, but he should be back.
Brian, whatever he's calling himself nowadays. Oh, you can't beat this guy's kicking up.
The business.
Chilling like a villain. So yeah, we're heading in now. We've played about for a half. I thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. And if you could, go and check Camo out. I'll thank you. I like you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll be out next to this kayak more. So glad I got it.
So that's a woodpecker I can hear. That's what I love about it here, just that silence. Lovely calm water as well. Just floating along. Filming and paddling with one hand. Man of many talents. Wee bit of rain starting. Hey ho, it's only a wee bit of rain, isn't it? So I just float about in this all day.
Guys, been falling out on the kayak. Just falling a bit
Superb. It's an absolute cracking loch. Many more adventures to come. Just a nice, perfect, calm day.
Oh, it's raining. It's going to melt my skin.
Oh.
What are you back? What are you wet?
See what's going into overdrive there. Can I beat this though? Can you? You really cannot beat this. I know I keep saying it, but it's just absolutely what a brilliant buy these kayaks are. Especially when you're in a cracking location like this. Superb. Love it. Superb. It's an absolute cracking loch. Many more adventures to come. Just a nice, perfect, calm day.
Oh, it's raining. It's going to melt my skin.
Oh.
What are you back? What are you wet?
See what's going into overdrive there. Right, that's us nearly back. Good wee paddle back to the shelter. We're nearly at the kind of water's edge. But worse than that, great wee trip. Cracking loch, like I say. when we'll be out again, who knows, probably next week. As long as I can get a pass. But this really is amazing. Priceless, as they say, absolutely priceless. Right, that's us, back in dry land. Well, Stuart's not quite in dry land yet. But I'm out, I've managed to get out, no fall in.